All right, so we're gonna
Yeah.
keep it with
Oh
Lyft.
yeah, yeah. Another wonderful.
Look,
Honestly, can I announce something today for
yeah,
everybody? Then the whole. I've been in this rideshare game for like 7 years as a driver, delivery driver, rideshare driver, whatever you want to do. I have 9 apps on my phone, and these companies have been around 12 and 10 years. 12 in Uber's case, 10 in Lyft's case. I'm announcing the winner of the rideshare competition today. It's Uber. Lyft, you're dead. You died. You're gone.
oh
So
yeah,
now I'm telling you, Lyft is whoever is a Lyft fanboy, send me all the hate mail. Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. This company from the first day has been following Uber, and now they can't catch up anymore. And as of we'll see what happened to the stock after the earnings today. I think they're on their last legs, but
yes.
we'll see.
You
So
know, so what we're talking about, what you see on screen if you're watching, if you're listening to the
yeah,
audio, or if you're not watching but listening in the background, basically, Lyft has come out. We're going to be talking about a little bit more during the earnings segment, which is going to be coming up next. But right now, they're taking on-demand chat, which is going to replace in-person support,
yeah,
and they're laying off 13% of their workforce.
yep,
And there's a lot, like their stock tanked yesterday after
yeah.
that abysmal earnings call. It went down what, 15% or
26%.
something like that
It's like
in
10, 10 and
opening
10
hours.
and change. 10 and change.
Okay, 10 and change.
Down
So
20,
I mean,
down 23%. Yeah.
yeah, it was quite a bit. So
Yeah.
Lyft, I mean, I don't know if they're
Well, you know
priming
what?
for Elon for a buyout or something, but I know his money's tied up in Twitter.
No, you
So
don't have any money left. But so you guys all know about this wonderful on-demand Lyft support, right? Where you just about got the attention of a goddamn, agent, supposed agent with some fake names, most likely,
sneaky
making crazy
job.
jobs. Yeah, search club for life. No, that's going to happen, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Wait, you just wait there. Um, so they have these wonderful hubs that you can go get like an airport placard printed. Some deactivation issues. You can talk to a human, right? Well, the chopping block comes down. They're closing all those hubs that they had because drivers don't need any support, right? I mean, why should they need any support? And then now you have to deal with that. What is that called? Mouse on a wheel. So just when you get the attention of an idiot at Lyft support, they go, "Hold on a second, I'll be right back." And then 3 minutes later, and the new guy shows up, and he starts the whole shit starts all over. By the way, I'm working on a national
Mhm.
story with this coming up with Dara Kerr. I mean, that's going if that doesn't wake Lyft up, I don't know what's going to wake Lyft up, but that's going to open some eyes what these Lyft agents, on-demand chat agents, who are replacing actual humans who can actually help you at a goddamn office. So if you guys are really that desperate for cash, bro, let go of some of your high-priced coders, man, because these coders are writing some horrible shit here, cutting driver pay. I mean, listen, it's not working. It's not working. Stock price is your scoreboard, 10 and change, bro. I mean, hey, you know, I don't know. I mean, let the misery end. Uber won. I'm telling you, I'm not an Uber fanboy, but Uber won. I'm telling you, there's no ifs
Yeah.
or buts. And the reason for that, they even lost the million, subs. I mean, imagine that. They're losing market share. Well, of course you're losing market share. Look at these prices. This guy that just, super chatted us. $242 you're charging the passenger, paying the 44, paying the driver 44. Hey man, people are awake.
Mhm.
They're not stupid. They're watching. They're gonna bust you.
Yep.
And 10 and a half. Please don't go buy Lyft stock thinking it's cheap. Something can go down 50% infinite amount of times, not hit zero. That's from my Wall Street days to you guys. So there you go.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah,
So I don't rent it
and
either.
so actually, you know what? I'm going to hold off on that question until we do the earnings segment next.
Oh, cool.
But just to let you know, so basically what this is, on-demand chat replaces in-person support. Starting today, 24/7 in-app support will replace in-person help at our LA hub. This is
Mm,
not just in LA. This is going to happen elsewhere too. The driver center and express drive locations are still open for now. Chat with
mm.
our support team to get issues resolved quickly. Our goal is to make it even easier for you to get the help you need anywhere, anytime. But Sergio, you just said like 5 minutes or 2 minutes ago, you put in a thing on their chat, and then 3 minutes later it's somebody else. Oh, I can help you now. No, I was talking to somebody else. I can't even pronounce her name, but I was talking to somebody else. And now I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the original person. So,
well, Chris, I have 17 pages of Google Docs. It's on my Google Docs that Dara has, that a driver dealt with Lyft support for 28 hours to get his streak money.
oh wow.
And they did not give it to him.
Yeah,
But this kid was smart.
oh.
Yeah, I told you about that. So that's coming, bro. I mean, if that and then they go, oh, no more humans. We're just gonna do chat support. Okay, wonderful. There you go. Whoever's driving for Lyft right now, seriously, people, cash out immediately.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.